Hi, to hard reset your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, we would need to hold this down button on the watch so we could see this menu appears on the screen. From here, choose Settings, and then swipe up and go in the System tab. After that, on the bottom of the page, you would see this option, Reset. Tap it, and here we got two more options, Reset Default Settings and Delete Data and Reset Settings. So if you want to hard reset your watch and delete all of its data, so simply brought back to the factory default, you will need to choose the second option, delete data. So this restores default settings and clear all data. Just tap here to confirm this tab, and now the watch will turn off, and in a couple of minutes it will turn on again, and you will need to set it up with your phone once more. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.